Is Forex Trendy good for day trading? Watch the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting, subscribe and watch the video until the end, because today I'm going to show you if Forex Trendy is good or not for day trading. I will mainly focus on the 5-minute time frame. I'm a day trader and I like to trade momentum, but I will also give you a quick look at 15 minutes. So let's start. Yeah, we are in the pattern section where you will find forming patterns, emerging patterns like wedges, flags, and triangles. The first trade is the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. We have a sell signal, break at 74.53. We have a triangle. So you open a position here, a sell position here. Let's suppose your goal is 10 pips. As you can see here, we had the first pullback with the spike testing the trend line and then going back on his road. And the price fall at 74.46. But you are still in the trade because you are just 7 pips profit. Let's assume you have a very small spread. And then we have this pullback and see and look where the spikes are going. They are testing this level, okay. It's very important level because the price touched it many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you want to look for better supports and resistances, then go check them on the higher time frames, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes. You will be fine. So ideally you should put your stop loss above these levels, okay, to stay quite safe. This is not a financial advice, it's just the way I trade. You must trade following your rules. And then the sellers won the battle and the price started to fall down again till this 74.45 and 74.42. so you achieved your 10 pips profit. And as you can see here below the chart, you will find Fibonacci targets if you are using the extensions to put the take profit. I will also show you the bad trades because I want to be clear and transparent. So yeah, we are on the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Following wedge, we have a buy signal, break at 0.403. At first we have a pullback, retesting an important structure here at 0.401. As you can see, this level was tested many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And then the price started to climb up to 0.412, going back again, and then going up to 0.419. So this was another good trade for momentum traders. Always check the higher time frames, guys, to see where the pressure is going. Yeah, we are on the New Zealand dollar and the USD. We have a triangle, buy signal. As you can see here, we have a green arrow. Always look at the charts, okay. We had no pullback in this situation. You will experience a pullback many times. This is why you should use strategies to adjust a proper stop loss. The break at 66.80 and then the price went up to 67.06. So it was a very profitable one. guys that were trading this one really made good bucks. New Zealand and then Japan yen. We have a flag buy signal, as you can see from the green arrow. Break at 73.10. We have a very small pullback. The price was testing this level again, and then with no uncertainty went up to reach the 73.42 level. So another profitable trade for us. I want to show you also the bad trades. This trade is still in process. We have a Singapore dollar and Japan yen buy signal, falling wedge, break it 80.91. So we are still in the zone. You are 6 pips profit. Okay. For example, this one, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, we have a sell signal, break at 0.405. We have a flag, and as you can see here, the price went down, touching that 0.403 level, and then went back because the buyers take control. Always put the stop loss, guys. Okay, you will decide the level according to your strategies, but protect your capital because you will have other trade to make money. So one bad trade is not going to affect your capital. You need money to trade, and this is very important to use a stop loss, like in this case. So let's jump to the 15-minute time frame. I will give you a very quick view. I will make another video where I will show you the 30 minutes and the hourly. British pound and the Japan yen, 15-minute time frame. We have a triangle buy signal, green arrow here on the top left. In this case we had no pullback, and the price achieved the 143.59 level. As you can see, is a double. From this chart it looks like the double top forming, but we are still in the process. Almost 100 pips profit. Yeah, hitting the 4 target here in the Fibonacci target section suggested by Forex Trendy. I must be honest, we had many interesting opportunities, profitable opportunities on the Turkish lira. Okay, the problem with Turkish lira is that you will find very high spreads, and for this reason it depends on the broker you are using. So we had a pullback here, retesting this level because it was touched many times. Always check the higher time frame to define a better resistance and support level. So then the buyers took control again. The price climbed up 95.69, the break at 94.12. So we had 100 pips and 60 or more or less. Okay, so it was very profitable trade. Euro and the British pound, it didn't go as expected. We have a flag buy signal, break at 85.45. The price at first broke through the line and went up to 85.59. So we had a 14 pips profit, but I don't know what's your strategy. And then he went back inside the pattern. Those patterns are not perfect. Okay, they work most of the time, but other time will fail. So this is why you should use a stop loss. So here we are on the euro and the Turkish lira. We have a flag buy signal, break at 58.97. The price broke through the trend line here, and as you can see, we had a consolidation moment. Many dojis. Okay, this figure is very important. Is where many interesting things happen. If you see, usually if you see a consolidation moment like that, then expect something very strong to happen in any direction. In fact, after the price tested the structure, went up to 66.32 level. Fearless. Okay, so we had this very uncertain moment, many dojis forming here. I can see at least, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or more dojis. So watch out in this formation, because many powerful movements are going to happen. That was a huge one, huge trade. The OC and the USD, we have a falling wedge, buy signal, break at 69.19. The price broke through the trend line and then it went back to test this level. Again, very important level, as you can see. It was touched by the price many times, more than 9-10 times. And then with no hesitation went up to 69.84. So we had 60 pips profit. The euro and the Australian dollar, we have a sell signal, a rising wedge, break at 60.19. At first sight it went down at 59.99 with a very small profit. If you want to make more money, and then it went back testing these levels on this area. Okay, see how many times it was testing this level: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then going down, reaching the 59.75 level. For a very good trade. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review on day trading with Forex Trendy. If you want to use it, you will find the link below, the title in the description. Don't forget to visit my website www.forexexpert.net. So for today's everything. If you have questions and comments, leave them below. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.